People used to spend their entire Saturday mornings crawling around the perimeter of their yards on their hands and knees, burying thin copper wires just to keep a basic robot mower from wandering into the neighbor's prize winning flower beds. Those days are finally over. The latest wave of outdoor automation has ditched the physical boundaries for something much more sophisticated. We are looking at a machine from Segway that relies on high precision satellite signals and vision sensors to understand exactly where it is in the world. This is not some cheap toy that bounces off your fence like a confused pinball. It uses a system that provides centimeter level accuracy by communicating with a base station and an antenna you install on your property. The setup process feels more like playing a video game than doing yard work. You grab your phone and virtually drive the mower around the edge of your lawn to create a digital map. You can mark off no-go zones around the kids' sandbox or the fire pit with just a few taps on the screen. Once that map is locked in, the machine knows its kingdom. One of the most satisfying things about this specific mower is how it actually cuts the grass. Most older robot mowers just wander around randomly until they eventually hit every spot. That takes forever and looks messy. This one moves in clean, systematic rows. It leaves those crisp stripes that make a lawn look like a professional stadium pitch. It is incredibly efficient. It knows exactly where it has already been and where it needs to go next. It even has built-in cameras to spot a stray garden hose or a forgotten toy. It can steer around obstacles in real time without skipping a beat. However, this level of tech comes with a few strings attached. The satellite connection is the lifeblood of the whole operation. If you have a yard with massive oak trees or a house that blocks a huge chunk of the sky, the signal can get a bit wonky. You have to be strategic about where you place that antenna. There is also a bit of a learning curve when you first open the app. It is powerful, but it can feel a little overwhelming when you are trying to fine-tune your schedules and zones for the first time. This is definitely a premium tool for people with medium to large lawns who are tired of the weekend grind. If you have a massive space to maintain, the time savings alone are worth the investment. It transforms a chore into a background process that just happens while you are at work or sleeping. Just make sure your property has a clear view of the sky before you commit. It represents a massive leap forward in how we maintain our homes. Seeing a robot navigate a complex yard with this much grace is a reminder of how far we have come from the days of noisy, gas-guzzling push mowers. It is about reclaimed time and a perfectly manicured yard that stays that way without a single drop of sweat. Technology is finally catching up to the dream of a maintenance-free life, provided you have the right landscape to support it. The precision here is truly the star of the show, proving that we can finally trust a machine to handle the details of our home aesthetic without constant supervision.